Hi everyone. So I am Courtney Blocker. That's me. And that is also me. And that is my husband. His name is Mark Blocker. And we have been married for 6 months, almost 7 months. And we have known each other / dated each other for about 4 years. So I am from Rancho Cucamonga, California. It's about an hour and a half east of LA, and my husband is also from there. We grew up in the same state growing up. My education goals is to finish my bachelor's in psychology with my minor in communications. And after, I want to get my master's in psychology. My ultimate goal is to be a high school counselor. I just really love kids, and I did a mentoring program about a month ago for 3 months. I worked with middle school kids and I just helped them establish goals and understand how to reach them. And ever since then, I knew I wanted to be a high school counselor. My favorites include the book To Kill a Mockingbird. I love the movie Hot Rod, and I also love the show The Middle, but The Middle is actually coming to an end pretty soon, so I'll have to find a new favorite show. My hobbies include rock climbing, snowboarding, and hiking. This is a picture I took in Zion, and it was um, really fun. This is in the Narrows, so I went hiking in the Narrows in October, which was freezing, but I loved it a lot. So that is just a little bit about me, and I'm really excited to take this class and really further my understanding about mass media and society. So leave some comments and let me know a little bit more about yourselves.